After spending a year in Sri Lanka, I've discovered the vibrant flavours of its cuisine and its deep connection to the land, history and community. Each dish tells a story, and living amongst locals, attending traditional festivals and sharing meals with families has enriched my appreciation of the culinary art. This immense experience has allowed me not just to learn about the food itself, but about the cultural significance behind each meal. I hope my experience can be passed on to you. Please enjoy. I just want to show you some regular or common spices for Sri Lankan cooking. So let's take a look at the top there. We've got some crushed chili, turmeric, chili powder, gorica. Gorica is a dried fruit, a little bit like tamarind. That's used as a souring kind of agent. Good for chicken and meat, and especially for fish. Goes in lots of curries. Cloves, mustard seeds, fenugreek or methi seeds, cinnamon. Of course, cinnamon in Sri Lanka is grown here. It's absolutely wonderful. Rampa or pandan leaves, curry leaves, and then curry powders. Very common. You get a light and a roasted. The roasted kind of goes in a little bit near the end usually. It's got a lovely, wonderful, just roasted flavour to it. And the common one there is the kind of base. But yeah, these are kind of not all the spices used in Sri Lanka, but very, very common. The most kind of common ones, I would say. Okay. So we're going to be making this crab curry today. As you can see, I've got 2 live crabs, so you're probably not going to have this, but yeah, I need to kill them and then I need to clean it and cut it into parts. Now I'm using what's known in Sri Lanka as a river or lagoon crab, which are much larger than the sea crabs, and they're a bit tastier apparently. I mean, I've had the sea crabs as well, they're also delicious. So you need to prepare this. If you're going to do this, you really need to kind of know what you're doing. Otherwise, get your fishmonger to arrange this for you. Or you can buy it kind of done. Once this task is ready, in a bowl, we're going to add to the crab parts 3 teaspoons of chili powder, 3 teaspoons of the unroasted curry powder, and 1 teaspoon of the roasted curry powder. We're going to give that a little mix and then just set that aside. So in our pan with around about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, we're on a above medium heat by the way, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon each of black mustard seeds and fenugreek. We're just gonna saute them in the oil for about 60 seconds. They're kind of, gonna infuse the oil, give it a beautiful nutty aroma. Next to that, we're gonna add in some fresh spices like some pandan leaves, curry leaves and chopped chili. I'm adding about ½ cup of each. Again, a little spin for a few seconds. Then we're going to be adding 2 cups of onion. You can slice it or chop it, it's up to you. 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. And again, we're going to cook this for 5 minutes on this above medium heat to get the onions nice and soft. At this stage, we're now going to add the seasoned crab, so we can pop that in, and again we're going to be stirring this around for around 6 or 7 minutes. Also, of course, going to be adding some salt to taste. Then I'm going to be adding 2 cups of coconut milk. I'm going to lower the heat down, and we're going to cook this now for about 7 to 8 minutes. You've done it. It's absolutely beautiful, and of course, very, very simple.